Oh.
Who's this fella up here, Joel?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah.
And where'd we get Kevin from?
Richard.
Richards, yeah. So there's a photo over in the corner of the moment that Joel shot his buck, Kevin. And if you want to read the story about it, it's in the latest issue of Wild Deer magazine. And there's also a video on Joel's YouTube channel, so go back and watch that one as well. So today we're actually going to see Steve. Steve is the guy who mounted Kevin for Joel. And we're going to check out his trophy room. He's got a heap of other African animals from all over the world on the walls, and we're going to check that out and show that to you guys. So this is the edition of Wild Deer magazine. If you want to see Joel, he's on page 48. Here's Joel out in the bush hunting. That was the day that he shot Kevin. So we'll take you to Gunnedah with us and show you Steve's setup and all the animals he's got there. And maybe Joel can choose which of the animals on Steve's wall he wants to hunt next. What do you reckon, Joel?
Yeah.
Yeah? You've already been to Steve's place. What did you think of it?
Pretty good.
Yeah? Alright. We'll take all your followers along for the ride and enjoy the show. We'll see you out there.
Welcome back to Ronald Joel.
So where are we, Joel?
Gunnedah.
Just out of Gunnedah at Steve's place. Steve is the guy who did the taxidermy for Joel. And what do we got on the wall here behind you? We got a red stag.
Yeah.
He's a beauty. He's not quite finished. Still got a bit of work to do, but he's looking very nice. We've got this big boar.
Yep.
He's got some different teeth on him. This one. See how they're a bit crooked? The left one's in the right spot, but the right one's a bit further back, so the grinder is actually not rubbing where it normally does. So it's a bit different. Another big fat boar down here. His teeth are in the right spot. You might grab one of those teeth, Joel, and stick it in your mouth. Joel had a blue the other day at the pub. Knocked the fella out, and the other bloke got a lucky punch in and just knocked Joel's tooth. That's not really what happened, is it, Joel?
No.
No. He's had a fall. We'll get that fixed up soon.
Yeah.
Probably won't use a pig tusk though. Then we got a pussy cat. A feral cat that was a natural bobtail from the local area.
Yeah.
He's done a pretty good job of mounting that, considering it was hit with a 30-06 and it needed to be patched up. Looks good. Yep. And we got some fallow. The deer that Joel shot was a fallow, so same variety as these three. They can come in all different colours. I've seen them almost black, I've seen them pure white, and pretty much everything in between. And Joel's was in between, similar coat to this one here. Looked very nice. So if anyone's in the Gunnedah area and they want a deer mounted, they can see Steve. I'll get his details shortly and add them into the video. And you can contact Steve. I think he's pretty busy because he does very good work. You can see around here he's got the molds or the forms that he uses. Take the skin off the animal, tan it, and then wrap it around these forms. Fit the tusks or the antlers back on and stitch the skin up around them. And there's a rooster deer over here that probably would have got finished today if me and Joel didn't come and interrupt his work. You can see he's put the antlers on here. Got the glass eyes in. Got to wrap the skin around. What's this one, Steve?
That's a large fella, young bloke I hunt with, just shot.
That's a beauty.
Yep.
Very nice.
Very heavy too.
From the local area, or roughly?
Down willow tree.
Yep. Very nice. So the fella Dennis who bought Joel his rifle, he's got a place he hunts at Willow Tree, and he's told Joel he's going to take him out there next rut, and Joel will get one with some pretty big antlers on it to go on the other wall at home because there's a blank spot. We need to fill it up with another deer. Joel's dad wants to get one, but I reckon it'll be a race to see who gets one first, Joel or his dad. Who do you reckon will, Joel?
No.
Don't know, don't care?
No.
Right. And do you think you'll get one a different colour next time? Do you want to get a chocolate coloured one or one like you got before?
That colour.
Yeah, you like the chocolate ones? Yeah, me too. Yeah, very nice.
Now I'll tell you what, the pig hunter, he's a different breed. At home, there's hungry mouths to feed. He'd rather get his tucker from the wild terrain, stand at a
Fish,
but back inside,
goats,
he don't care much
chittle,
for keeping his trousers
fallow,
clean. And his pig dog,
Queensland Reds.
mean and lean. He carries his kill home on his back.
Oh yeah?
Probably the blood runs down into his crack. Oh, you filthy
Samba.
bastard, covered in dirt.
Longhorn.
You smelly bugger,
Some fish.
thinking of sweat and blood. You manky
Oh, pig
mongrel,
jaws.
Christ,
I'd say that one probably a warthog.
you filthy bastard. Hold on, you're me mate. Seldom does he clean his gun, and town ain't
You got a
his
kudu.
idea of fun. Lucky that he has
Buffalo
a knife,
horns.
'cause all his time,
Impala.
his dog and knife. He can't
Black
drive through the
wildebeest.
countryside without looking for sign.
A
'Cause
white
he's always got
fellow
wild
buck.
pets on his mind.
Murray cod on the wall.
Prides his dogs next to none.
Warthog.
Fears nothing except
Meerkat.
radio spectrum. Oh, you
Look at that warthog
filthy
skull there.
bastard,
Beauty.
covered in dirt and mud. You
Zebra.
smelly bugger, stinking
Waterbuck.
of sweat and blood. You manky mongrel, Christ.
What's this one? Should I ask him? I think it's a hartebeest. I'm not sure. There we go. Rooster. Another warthog. Daniel Bernhardt. Raccoon.
But he bust his bollocks.
Not sure what that one is.
Carry the pork off the
Wild boar.
back to the gate. Oh, you
A couple of fallow bucks, different colour, and a fallow doe in between them.
and mud.
Another fallow buck down there. Chooks, pheasants. Sambar. Joel's hopefully going to hunt a sambar later this year.
Christ,
It's a female wildebeest.
you filthy bastard.
Cod.
You're me mate.
Water buffalo from the Northern Territory. Some more cod up on the wall.
Me mate.
A pheasant. Yellow belly.
Filthy bastard. You
Red stag.
mate.
I don't know what these birds are. A couple of ducks. Is that an ibex? I don't know. Here we got an eland. Blue wildebeest. Another impala, I think. Little barramundi.
What do you
Little
do?
marlin.
How you doing? What do you know? Whether it's come the
Pheasant.
wind won't blow,
Yellow belly.
but things to say,
Redfin.
these words flow.
Another duck. Oh, do you see that fox over there?
What are you doing? How you doing? And what do you know?
Fox. And a couple of possums over there, trying to get eaten by the Murray cod.
I've eaten a small town pub.
And Steve reckons he shot all the African animals with a 308 Winchester using Barnes projectiles, 180 grain Barnes projectiles.
Don't take
Yeah.
kindly to strangers
Only one that he
come
recovered
around
that didn't
here.
go straight through was in the
Gave him a
zebra.
hearty smile as I let the brown stuff
Everything else was
flow.
complete pass
He
through.
blinked his eyes and
Even the
said,
big
"Still I didn't
kudu
know."
and
He said, "What's your problem,
eland.
mate?" And as his anger started to show, I let these
very
simple
nice.
words out before he dealt his first blow. Yeah, g'day, what are you doing? Hey, you doing?
Makes his own knives
Weather
and knife handles from antlers.
When I'm stuck with things to say, I'll let these words flow.
The skins on the floor.
Yeah, g'day, what are you doing?
Zebra skin over there.
What do you know?
A few antlers lying around the place. What do we got? Here's a warthog tusk. It's been carved.
In China, when this bloke in a flash you cuts me off at the top of the ridge.
More antlers here.
Aerials and dishes going everywhere.
Skulls.
He's working for some
Ooh, what's
outfit
this?
that has a
I'll
name
have to
that
ask him what
rhymes
that is.
with G.I.
Is
Joe's
it a horn or is it a
Dragon.
tooth?
He said, "What are you using to track those dogs with, sonny?" I said, "Tracking gear? Mate, when you've got trail barking dogs like mine, you don't
Tastes
need
good, I know.
tracking gear. Just follow the
And what did he give you, Joel?
He said, "Is that all you've got to say for yourself?" I
A
said,
warthog
"No."
tooth keychain.
Famous words flow. Yeah, g'day,
Cool.
what are you doing? Hey,
You gave him some rolling with Joel key rings, so he gave you a warthog one.
I'm stuck with things to say. Let these words flow. Yeah, g'day, what are you doing? Hey, you doing? What do you know? I was down in Hawkatucker at the Wild Food Festival, trying to chat up this bird called Sweet Eleanor. She said she liked the men strong and she liked the men tall. By my skinny lightweight frame, she was not impressed at all. So I puffed me chest up and I looked Sweet Eleanor straight in the eye. She tried to walk away, but a carny got caught in me fly. We both tripped and rolled in the tent that was serving venison pie. I grabbed Eleanor by her hips as I let these words fly. Yeah, g'day, what are you doing? Hey, you doing? What do you know? The weather has come and the
Hello, Joel. What do we got?
flow.
Something from the Northern Territory.
I'll let these words flow. Yeah, g'day, what are you doing? Hey, you doing?
It's interesting.
What do you
Well, there's a
know?
hat in there. Oh, woodley bullets. No? Just watch yourself or trying to. Dad open that one. A knife. Oh, this might be a reloading manual, Joel.
I was in the Rye Valley sneaking around the forestry and I come across this guy called Bob. He had a beautiful looking white big dog. I said, "Hey Bob, where'd you get that? That's a Monteria hound. Where'd you get that Monteria hound, Bob?" He said to me, "It fell
show
off
us
the
that
back of
book,
a
Joel.
truck, mate, as it passed me by.
The cover.
It fell off the back of a truck, mate. Oh,
No, the right way, that's it. Woodley bullets.
fell off the back of a truck,
Reloading
mate.
manual.
That's where I
That'll be
fell
very
in.
handy.
It fell off the back of a
Alright.
truck, mate.
What else has Dad got over here? Do you think this might be a hat?
I was up on the wire rapid chasing a few reds when I banged into Taxi D. I said, "Irish Mick, good to
Northern
see
Territory
you,
Firearms
mate. How
Go.
you doing?"
Okay, we might have to get that logo painted on your trailer
What you got there, brother?
with everything
Really
else.
like the look of that old PCAR 4x30
Here, these might be some
post
custom-made
across his
dies.
scope that's got on it, Mick. Hey, Mick, that's the same scope as your mate Vaughan's got on his Seiko Finwolf. Where did you get that Finwolf 243
Wildcat.
from, Mick?
338.
Mick said, it fell
Winchester
off the
Super
back of
Short
a truck, mate, as it passed me by.
Awesome.
It fell off the back of a truck, mate, I wouldn't tell you no lie. It fell off the back of a truck, mate, that's where I found it. It fell off the back of a truck, mate, I wouldn't tell you no shite. I swear me mother's great, man. I was hunting down in Geraldine when I banged into 2 dogs and a bitch. G'day, Andy. Good to see you, mate. How you doing?
Alright, what do you got here, Joel?
That's a
New
nice
rifle.
little
Where'd you get this
boy
from?
on the back of your truck there, brother.
Anthony
Black and white,
in
looks just like
Northern
Bill
Territory.
Wilson's
Go
pit bull.
Firearms.
Even got the same
Thank you
2
very
black
much,
spots
Anthony,
on
farm
his
boy.
head. Where
This
did
is
you get
Joel's
that, boy?
338 WSSM. One of a kind, Wildcat, custom made Winchester Super Shadow. The stainless barrel included, been cerakoted. Very, very flash. Just waiting on the permit to show up. Joel did have a permit, but then someone gave him another rifle, so we used that one and had to apply for another permit. So we'll get this one set up before Joel goes on his sandbar hunt in Victoria later this year. Alright, stay tuned, there's going to be lots happening with this rifle.
Gee, man, she's a spitting image of Monty's wife. Even that same cheeky smile. Monty's wife doesn't have a twin sister, does she? Where did you meet that gorgeous red-haired woman? And Simon said, she fell off the back of a truck, mate, as it passed me by. She fell off the back of a truck, mate, I wouldn't tell you no lie. She fell off the back of a truck, mate, I swear on me life. She fell off the back of a truck, mate, that ain't Monty's wife. Yeah, right, mate.